To understand long-term memory and how it is perceived, it is crucial to first understand the process of long-term potentiation. This is the process of strengthening synaptic connections between neurons. To learn about long-term potentiation, or LTP, we begin with a letter, a college acceptance letter no less. Even better, Maddie has just been accepted into her dream school. This is a moment to remember, perhaps even a long-term memory. Long-term memories form in the brain. The brain receives a stimulus and through cell signaling pathways releases hormones in response. In this case, hormones would be released in response to great happiness. The cerebral cortex or the outer mushy portion of the brain is where the key neurons for creating memories are found. Cerebral neurons are no different than any other. However, a closer look into their synaptic connection shows the memory creation process. In the presynaptic membrane, there are blue NMDA receptors close to the orange AMPA receptors. AMPA receives glutamate when it is in heavy concentrations stemming from a stimulus being present. The AMPA will take in more glutamate with an increasing action potentials. With an influx of positive glutamate, the neuron depolarizes, pushing out the magnesium that blocked the NMDA ion-gated channel. Then, the NMDA may receive calcium. In a positive feedback cycle, the greater concentration of calcium creates more AMPA receptors along the membrane. Thus, the membrane becomes more sensitive to glutamate. A more sensitive neuron is much more prone to significant change in voltage once participating in neurotransmission. A strong synaptic connection means that the neuron pathway is more likely to be activated in the future. By continually recalling or remembering past events, the original stimulus will activate, and thus strengthen the already strong synapses. The science of memory is still being widely studied. However, all Maddie needs to remember is that she still has 2.5 more quarters of AP Bio to pass before getting to college.